Welcome to my channel Shanti. Last class we have seen yesterday statement. So, what if you have any doubts, please put the doubts in the. I need to clarify your doubts. What's your problem? What's your doubts? I need to clarify your doubts. Put in the comments. Put your comments in the description box. I can clarify your doubts. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today we are going to see about while loop statement. What is while loop statement? What is the syntax of while loop statement? We are going to say what is the syntax of while loop statement. What is the syntax of while loop statement? While loop statement. What is while loop statement? If the condition is satisfied only, the while loop statement will get executed. Otherwise, it won't get executed. What is the syntax of the while loop statement? While condition is true. While condition. This is a good one. So do while statement. This is nothing but do while. Do while statement. This is also joining with do while. While means what is the while loop statement? While the condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied only it get executed. Otherwise it won't get executed. Let us see an example. Let us see an example of while loop statement. Okay. What is the while loop statement? While your int I is equal to 0 declarations. Okay, you declare the statement. I equal to 2 means printf I is equal to 2. I is equal to 2. Else won't get executed. So, but you declared as what? It declared as I is equal to 0. You initialized already. You declared and initialized that I equal to 0. So, what happened? If you are specified I equal to 2. If the condition is only I equal to 2 means it gets I equal to. Otherwise, it won't get executed. It moves on to the statement printf not satisfied. Printf not satisfied is given. So what happens? The condition is false. So the condition is false. So what happens? The not satisfied condition is executed. Okay. Next we will see the do while statement. What is the condition of do while? Do while statement. What is the condition of do while statement? Do while statement. Do while statement is what is do? Even though if the condition is not satisfied, it executes at least once. What is the condition of do statement? If the condition is not satisfied, it executes at least once. But while statement, it gets executed. If the condition is only satisfied. Make a note of it. The difference. What is the difference? Make it very important. Looping statements are very important concept. If the condition is satisfied, only while it gets executed. Even the do statement means even though the condition is not satisfied, it gets executed at least once. That is called as do statement. So do, what is the condition? Do printf satisfied do statement, double quotes closing, quotation giving us, and do closing while condition, while I equal to 10. You initialize int I is equal to 20. I equal to 20 you initialize. You initialize what? I equal to 20. So what happens? I equal to 20. But you initialize this I equal to 10. If the condition is I equal to 10 means it gets executed. But if this is what is the do statement do? If the even though if the condition is satisfied, it executes at least. So what is the output of this one? What is the output of this one? What is the output of this one? Satisfy do statement. Satisfy do statement. What is the output of this one? Satisfy do statement. Because even though condition is false, I equal to 20 you initiate, but equal to I equal to 10. But even the condition is false, it get executed at least once. So make a note of it. The condition is do statement is get, even though condition is not satisfied, it executed at least once. But while statement is if the condition is only satisfied, it gets otherwise it skips the statement, skip the current iteration, skip the current statement, and the next statement will get executed. Okay. So if I equal to 10 condition is false, so it gets executed not satisfied. What is that? Not satisfied printed. What is the output of this one? Not satisfied. Okay, make a note of it. This is a very looping statement. It's a very important concept in C and C++ and Java. So make a note of it. If you clear in this one, I can move on to C++ and Java. Same link we can see in the C++ and Java. Okay. So make a note of it. You can clarify what is the difference. Clarify what is the difference between while and do while statements. Okay. Next we will see the switch statements. Okay. Next we will see the switch statements. Next we will see the switch statement. See the switch statement. Next we will see the switch statement. Switch statement, okay. What is switch statement? What is switch statement? Switch, making use of this one. Switch statement is execute the blocks of code and also continue with break statement. Skip statement. Switch statements with following break statement also continue. If the break statement is not present, means all statements will get executed. So switch statement means it's a collection of statements. Block of statement will get executed if the condition is satisfied. Okay. Let us see the syntax of switch statement. Switch statement, switch expression, switch, what is called switch expression, case constant, case is nothing but your constant, case constant 1 colon, case constant 1 colon, statement block, break. You have to must specify break statement. You must specify break statement. It is very important, break statement. Case constant 1 statement block break. Next case constant 2 state constant 2 colon break. Till it break, till it get executed case constant n. Okay. Till it gets executed case constant n break. Okay. Closing the curly braces. So opening the curly braces, case constant. Constant means it can't able to change the value. That is called as constant. Statement block and break. Case constant 2 same, it can't able to change the value. Break. It is known as break statement. Semicolon, break statement. Semicolon, case constant until goes on till constant and that is your user choice only. Okay, break statement. Let us see the example of this statement. Void main. In choice scanf within goes %C, character C, comma ampersand C. We are getting the character. Before we have to specify character C, before we have to specify this one, we have to print up the statement. Using the printf, we have to enter the operator. Enter the operator. Closing the double quote semicolon. Okay. Semicolon. Enter the operator and we are getting what is that one? I forgot to say about the getting, how to get the value from the variable. Let's we can see how to get the value from the C. First C, ampersand C means getting the character value. Next printf. Enter the operand. Enter the operation, enter the operands. Scanf, %D. So before number 1, number 2, you have to declare int. You have to declare int number 1 and number 2, %D, ampersand number 1, ampersand number 2, you have to declare this. So what I am giving here, using the character data type character and declare the variable. Here also declare two variables, number 1 and number 2, and print up the statement, enter the operator and getting the value from the character data type. Next enter the two operands. We are getting two operands from the data type, that is called integer two operands, ampersand number 1, ampersand number 2. What happens? Now I am giving specifying the switch statement. Switch expression is C. C is what is the switch operands? Plus, minus, star, slash, double quotes you are specifying. Switch opening switch character. What happens? Case plus means printf addition. Next what you see? Case minus means, here you have to specify minus, single quote. Minus means printf subtraction. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, it goes on going on. Printf and a subtraction. Case star means printf multiplication, colon. You need to not specify semicolon. You need to specify your colon. Here you specify the colon. Printf multiplication. Okay. Next case division means goes on. So after you use the choice only. How many case declarations you got is use the choice only. If you stop here means you can stop here itself. Case slash means printf division. Break. You have to must specify break statement. Break. Here also specify break statement. So switch off the string case plus minus star and slash. Case plus means addition, case minus means subtraction, case star means multiplication, case division means division. Break statement. Default means what is having? Default means printf none satisfied. Printf none satisfied. Printf none satisfied. We'll make a note of it. It is a constant value. Minus plus is a very important constant value. Here printf statement giving the break statement. If the condition is satisfied. So what is the output of this one? If you enter first, enter the operation. Enter the operation. You giving the operation is plus means what happens? Two values, entering the two values 10, 20. So 30 is answer. So entering plus operation means 30. If you specifying minus operation means what happens? If you specifying minus operation means answer is 10. Okay, make a note. According to this condition satisfied, it prints the value in the output. Okay, make a note of it. Please, any doubts means again I am saying the example. If you break statement is very important. Getting the operands, enter the operation, getting the character, using the character data type, entering the two operands, two variables names we are getting using integer value. So I am using %d. Next you are getting the switch operation. So case plus means printf addition, minus means subtraction, multiplication, star means multiplication, slash means division. According to the user choice only. So if you enter the plus operation means addition is performed. If you enter the minus, means subtraction operation is performed. Into star means multiplication is performed. Slash means division operation is performed. Please make a note of it. Switch statement is very important concept in looping statements and all. If you have any doubts means clarify doubts in the comments description box. I can help with you. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.